My name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on mining data from text. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. A large part of the appeal of deep learning models is their ability to work with unstructured data types such as text, images, and video. However, such models are only as good as the feature vectors they operate on. In this course, you will gain the ability to build highly optimized and efficient feature vectors from textual and document data. First, you will learn how to represent documents as numeric data using simple numeric identifiers for individual words, as well as more elegant methods such as term frequency and inverse document frequency. Next, you will discover how to perform topic modeling using techniques such as latent Dirichlet allocation and non-negative matrix factorization. Finally, you will explore how to implement keyword extraction using a popular algorithm, rake. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to move on to build efficient and optimized feature vectors from a large document corpus and use those feature vectors in building powerful ML models.